We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Which shape is not sorted correctly in the graphic organizer? A polygon is any two-dimensional shape formed with straight lines. The circle does not fit this definition. Therefore, A is the correct answer. Question number 6. Restaurant bill was paid equally by 7 friends. The bill was $99.96. How much money in dollars and cents did each person pay? Let's divide $99.96 by 7 to find out how much money each person paid. The answer is $14.28. Question number 7. Cassidy walks and bathes dogs. She charges $8.50 if a customer wants a dog bathed and walked. She charges $5.75 if a customer only wants a dog walked. The list shows the jobs Cassidy did last weekend. On Saturday, she took 6 dogs for walks only. On Sunday, she took 5 dogs for walks only. $575 multiplied by 6 plus 5 is for dog walked only. On Saturday, she walked and bathed 4 dogs. On Sunday, she walked and bathed 4 dogs. $850 multiplied by 2 times 4 for 2 days, dog bathed and walked. To solve the expression, we need to complete the operations in this order. 1. Parentheses or brackets. 2. Exponents, numbers raised to a power. 3. Multiplication division from left to right. And 4. Addition subtraction from left to right. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 2 times 4 equals 8. Then we go from left to right. $5.75 multiplied by 11 equals 63.25. 850 times 8 equals 68. 63.25 plus 68 equals 131.25. Therefore, D is the correct answer. Question number 8. A baker had 48 cups of flour in a container. The baker used 11 and 1 over 4 cups of flour on Friday and 14 and 1 over 2 cups of flour on Saturday. How many cups of flour were left in the container? Let's find out how many cups of flour the baker used on both days. 11 and 1 over 4 plus 14 and 1 over 2. Let's do the fractions first. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2 equals 3 over 4. 11 cups plus 14 cups equals 25 cups. The baker used 25 and 3 over 4 cups of flour. To determine how many cups of flour were left in the container, we subtract 25 and 3 over 4 from 48, equals 22 and 1 over 4. Therefore, F is the correct answer.